let's just cut it.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Blueprint DIY. Angelina here, and today I am in Savers, which is one of my favorite thrift stores, and I'm here in Chicago. Everybody knows that I come here a couple of times a year to visit family. So today is a very special video. Today we're gonna do a thrift flip with me. And I know a lot of people do thrift with me videos, but today I'm gonna do a thrift flip, of course, because that's what I do. So today my goal is to find an item that I can redo quickly. I brought scissors and a needle and thread as my tools, and I'm gonna try to find something that I can redo really quickly and do that and make an outfit around it. So let's see what I can find. So I am in the dress section. First thing I saw was one of my favorite colors. It's like a mint green or like a celadon color, and it's very sheer. So we're gonna see if this might work for anything. I like Savers because it's very organized. And really when I'm looking for something that I can redo, I'm looking for color, pattern, and potential, basically. This could be like a really cute off-the-shoulder top. I don't necessarily like it as a dress, but we'll try it on as a top. I'm really curious, which section of the thrift store is you guys' favorite to go to first? Let me know in the comments. I found this dress, and I think that it can easily be made into a bodysuit. All right, I think, let me evaluate what I have and see what we're gonna do.
Okay, I'm gonna do a voiceover for this part because the background noise in the thrift store was definitely drowning me out. But I have to say, I really think this dress is banging. It's just a simple tube dress originally from Forever 21, but it's green, which is my absolute favorite color, and the straight neckline is very flattering on a smaller bust. The stretchy material makes it perfect to turn into a bodysuit, so that definitely makes it a good option for something to remake in this dressing room. So the next option is this mint green top that I think was meant to be a dress. I'm not really sure, but it's really sheer and really not flattering on my smaller chest. So I can't even think of what I might do with it. So this one is actually a no for me, but I know that I have some super creative subscribers that can really think of something. So if you guys think of anything, definitely let me know in the comments. Okay, so next up is this olive or dark khaki dress. To me, it looks very Latin inspired. Of course, I would need to pin it closed a bit and have the proper undergarments, but I really think this could be a nice top. What do you guys think if I just cut it off underneath this lace part here? It would kind of look like this. So I really think this could be an option. Okay, so next up is this cream dress with lace at the top and shoulder ties. And I really like the shoulder ties. It's one of the reasons I chose this. I also like that the lace at the top covers and holds enough that I don't have to wear a bra. For this one, I would also definitely think of taking this inner stretchy layer and making it into a bodysuit. Then I would just leave the sheer layer over my pants. So that's definitely an option as well. Last up is the blue off-the-shoulder dress. To me, this really looks like a dress you might find in Mexico. What do you guys think? I really like this one because I could wear it as a complete off-the-shoulder, or I could just wear one shoulder out. Like I said before, this could be a really cute top, and all I would need to do is cut it. I wouldn't even finish the edge, but I'm kind of feeling it as a dress, so decisions. Okay, before I go cutting anything up, I have to purchase my items. You guys didn't think I cut it without buying it first, did you?
111 and 110.
Okay, now back to the dressing room. Yes, the green, of course. And I love how it turned out. I paired it with a pair of Levi's, a lighter green belt, and brown snakeskin heels. And everything except for my bag was purchased from Savers that very day. And I also picked the cream dress. They're both bodysuits now, and it was really easy. I styled the cream dress the same exact way, but this dress makes it look completely different. If you know how to cut and do minor hand stitching, I would definitely recommend this project. And you can watch the tutorial right now by clicking here. And here are some more super simple tutorials to take your wardrobe to the next level. All right, I'll see you guys over on the next one. Bye.